Ketu Venus conjunction in your horoscope. The most abstract and crazy conjunction. What has Ketu to do with Venus? And what has Venus to do with Ketu? It's like bring a desert and a waterfall together. So Ketu is all about separation, detachment, past life experience, pain, suffering, sudden separation, and Ketu is all about the experience which you have already done in your past life. And in this life, you do it initially, but after that you get separated, right? Ketu is apathetic, Ketu is headless, Ketu is going inward, right? So these are the traits of Ketu. And Venus is all about pleasure. Venus is all about luxuries. Venus is all about enjoyment. Venus is all about comforts, beauty, art, music, cinema, expression, creativity, and things like that. That is Venus. So what happens when you bring a fakir, a gypsy, with a beautiful woman? He is not interested in it anymore. Ketu is fulfillment, and Venus is the desire to enjoy and seek more pleasures. So Ketu and Venus is a very difficult conjunction in a horoscope. And unless and until the person, he or she, doesn't have a spiritual inclination, right, doesn't have spiritual tendency, then it becomes very difficult to manage Venus-Ketu conjunction, because Ketu becomes headless. So this person doesn't know what to do with Venus's energy. So Ketu-Venus conjunction shows that this person has already experienced a lot of Venusian things in the past life, and in this life, how much ever he tries, he won't be able to get enjoyment from matters of Venus. So in the chart of a male, if he has this Venus-Ketu conjunction, then there will be separation from the female members of his life, and also there will be misunderstanding between him and the female members of his life. For example, girlfriend, wife, the female in the family. So he will always have this difference of opinion with them. Okay. Ketu Venus conjunction is all about looking inwards, inside. You have to seek the inner beauty. You have to get the inner pleasure of divinity within you. You cannot go external for seeking pleasure, guys, because the external portal is closed. Maybe initially when you were 18, 19 till 24, you would have enjoyed, you would have had girlfriends and party and stuff like that. But after 24, you will find it difficult. You won't be able to fit yourself among the female, the Venusian things, one thing. So it's all about emptiness. It's all about the sad things in life. It's all about the pain after breakup, after separation from love and relationship. That is Ketu-Venus conjunction. Now, this has a bright side also. Whenever a person has a Ketu-Venus conjunction, one good thing that happens with him is that he gets Venusian things very easily, but he disregards it. He doesn't value it. Cars, good clothes, beautiful things, perfumes and things like that. He has everything around him, but he doesn't use it. Have you ever been to a friend's house where he has good clothes, he has amazing beautiful house, but he doesn't keep his house beautiful, he doesn't keep the things intact, he doesn't use the perfumes and all the cosmetics that he has, and the blankets are dirty, the curtains are dirty. Now that is Venus and Ketu conjunction in the horoscope. So if you have such Venus and Ketu conjunction in your horoscope, then my message to you guys is, don't seek pleasure outside in the outside world. There is no pleasure left outside. How much ever you try to seek pleasure from the outside world, you won't be able to find the pleasure. So you have to seek inwards, you have to peep inside, and you have to seek the pleasure with the divine entity in you. You get my point, guys? So I hope this video gives you slight insights about Ketu-Venus conjunction. This is not a detailed analysis, but just an introductory insight of what this Ketu-Venus conjunction is all about. Right, guys? So I hope this video gave you some amount of information about this weird conjunction of Ketu-Venus. So I hope this video enlightened you. Subscribe. Remember to subscribe. So that's it for today. This is Purab signing off. I love you all, Adios, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.